Chriso, how you going? Everyone, this is going to be a bit of a feature. So what I'm doing is like that there is the line of the shower screen. So that's a plumb line going up there. The glass, it's going to be a sheet of like smoky glass, which will look real cool. It'll stop about here, so roughly about 2.1. So that's about 2.1 there. It'll stop there. Get that glue away, Chriso, before you forget. Tomorrow or today, if I have time. Now, why I've done this aluminium is because this is the same thickness as your tile, but not when you glue this tile to the wall and you're using a 12mm notchy. I'll be using a mastic glue for this, and I'll be putting it on with a 6mm notchy. So that means it's going to be coming out about 1mm. So then I have a step there, hence the piece of black aluminium. The screen will be going up there, so all you'll see actually of the aluminium is about there up. When the glass goes down there, Chris, my screen guy, he'll fill that with silicone. He'll go tight against there and fill that. It's too, I could pack it out with a sheet of, yeah, that's the thing. I don't really, there's nothing that is the exact size, not thin enough. Anyway, a step it'll look pretty cool anyway. So what I'll be doing is cutting all those off. So it'll be going flush against there, and then it'll be going across like so. And a nice neat, I don't know how, what is that gonna, I haven't worked that out yet. Yeah, the best way to work that out is lay them out on the floor, and then you get an accurate measurement, and you lay them in your home and hose, and you cut it, mark it on the floor and cut it, easy peasy. Pop that down there. Yeah, so what I'll be doing also is cutting the bottom part. Oh well, I don't really have to, because that will all cover with the cabinet. So that could, I could start off like that, because all that's going to cover anyway with the vanity. The vanity comes up to 860, which is about there where that pencil line is. So that whole line covers, only that comes out 1200. Where's my tape? there. That's the end of the vanity. So if I lay them on like that, I have two of those to cut. Easy peasy. And it'll look pretty cool as a feature. Then the mirror, that's the shape of the mirror. Like that. It's going to be an oval mirror. Yeah, it'll all look good. Alright people, we'll see you soon. Ciao.